朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Lian's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today we are making Shanghai Rice Cake. This recipe is a good way to try out rice cake. It's very tasty. I will show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box. I link the sauce I use below. You can buy this rice cake at any Asian market.
Let's start by cleaning the vegetables. Now break off the bok choy and clean under it. Then rinse off the mung bean sprouts. Let's peel the shrimp. I am using shrimp that's already been deveined. We just need to peel it. Let's season the shrimp. Add quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon cornstarch, and half teaspoon vegetable oil. Mix it together and set it to the side while we prepare the vegetables. Let's cut the green onions. Split the white part. Then cut it into 1-inch pieces. The next step is to cut off the end from the bok choy. Now crush the garlic and mince it. Let's boil some water. When the water is boiling, add the rice cake in and let it cook for 2.5 minutes. After 2.5 minutes, take it out and put it in cold water. In the hot clean wok, add some oil. Then add the shrimp in. Let it cook all the way through and take it out. Add some more oil, then add the white part of the green onions and garlic. Stir fry to release the fragrance. Now add the bok choy in. Now add the rice cake in. Then add the shrimp, mung bean sprout, soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaohsing cooking wine, mushroom seasoning, and green onions. Mix everything together. Add sesame oil, mix it in, and it's done.
Wow, looks good! Time for taste test! It looks so good, it's a perfect bite. The rice cake is soft and a little bit chewy. The shrimp is tender. It's really good. I really hope you guys try this recipe. It's very delicious. Very yummy. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见